What's up, creative faces? L up on set, creative sound. Just want to let you know that Maschine 2.14 has made its way to the platform. There's a lot of things on the list. I talked about some of it on the live stream, but I want to show you what's really significant to me. And I'm going to show you how I'm using 2.4. All right, so I got Studio One up right now, and I'm gonna play the track. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna solo the Maschine. So this is what's coming out of Maschine. So Group A, Synth. I'm using Synth on these 3 tracks. So I'm gonna mute these, and then we're gonna show you what's going on. So this is the bass coming out of Synth. All right. Then we got this sound. Those 3 are coming out of Synth. Alright. So the next thing that's cool is that we can select more than one clips and drag over. So I just select both of those and I'm dragging these 2 over. And that is really the most significant thing for me. There's some other things under the hood that's really cool, but those are the 2 things that I thought was like the major improvements in the right direction. So for the rest of the track, I have this one. This is Pigments, but you know, it's kind of help fill in the track. And then I got Eden. Eden is in the background, handling some of the drums. That's the wrong drums. It's Candy. I was working with Eden earlier. So with the Maschine, yeah. So the Synth is pretty dope. I never looked into it before, but when they announced it, I was like, oh, I never ever played with the Pro 53. You know, it's just, I don't know, I just never did so, but it's kind of cool for making this style of music. So I'm gonna go here again and go through some of these presets. So through my Maschine, just kind of show you what's in here. I'm not gonna go through all these sounds, but it's pretty cool. So I'm thinking the lead next. Let's see. Let's play with that and see what that sounds like. I'm a favorite that. I like that sound. On the stream, I thought that there weren't any presets, but I found them thanks to one of my viewers, Really Doe. He pointed that out to me. I was like, oh, there it goes. So you would just have to go to Maschine. It's inside of the when you go to browser, it's labeled under sounds, right? This is sounds right here. And then you have to go to Maschine. So scroll wherever to Maschine, and then this is where you find the polysynth. So I'm excited that I was able to do that and able to use it. And then, of course, in case you don't know, the way to get to it, you just have to switch back and forth to the mixer area, and that's how you get, those extra things inside of Machine that especially the internal stuff. You're not going to really be able to pull that out as a normal third party VST. So this is how you get to it in the back end. I'm gonna see. Let's make this a little bigger so we can get the entire synthesizer here. So this is what it looks like. See, we chop it up some. Put some reverb on it. Make it bigger. kind of cool. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I got. Polysynth, and then the clips, super easy. We're moving forward. We're moving on up in this world. Something else I thought was interesting before I end this video. We have two different sections of undo and redo, in which, yeah, this is different. I have to explore that a little more. So as I check things out, I'll be more better prepared and up to date with the rest of the updates. And during the live stream we did recently, we were updated with down at the bottom of the list where they said that we will be getting more updates as time progresses. So it will be pretty interesting to see what new is coming forward. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Up Creative Sound. Remember, music is art. You're the artist. Paint your picture. Stay creative without rules.